Hello guys, welcome back to another video. I'll be teaching you how to fix a leaking dishwasher. It's one of these. It doesn't quite say what model is, but it's one of these General Electric dishwashers. And you'll see right here, two screws right here, but it goes the other way around. And if you look, here's one mounting thing right there where you put the screw in, and right here's the other one. And all you want to do is flip it upside down. Just want to slide it back in. You want to see right there, there's you want to make sure the other one is also aligned, so they're both aligned. Then you want to put the screws in. So here's one of the two screws. Just want to put it there. Use a screwdriver. I'll show you which type of screwdriver it is. But you can see it there. Along with some other wires above it. Just want to tighten it. I don't know what exact model this is, but exact model number for this is. So here you want to use one of these, and you take the other screw, and first you want to hand tighten it. Just like that. So now you got it started. And you can finish it off with a good old screwdriver. There you go. Just about there. Right. It should look somewhat like this. Anyway, if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and have a nice day.